Hello guys, you're all welcome back to my YouTube channel. So on this channel, you already know what I do. I talk about online money opportunities, digital skills, remote work, but I focus majorly on online money opportunities because I'm very particular about the hardship of our present economy and how things keep increasing every day. So we need this daily income to actually sustain ourselves daily, right? So that's why I focus on online side hustles, online money opportunities we can do and make money for ourselves and sustain ourselves every day till the end of the month, when most of us actually expect either our 9 to 5 salaries or our remote work salaries or our freelancing salaries. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about three legit survey platforms that will actually pay you for completing surveys. I know that many of us have come across a lot of dead end survey platforms whereby you register and after taking 1 or 2 surveys, the next day they'll tell you no survey available in your region, which has been very frustrating. But in today's video, these three platforms are actually open for a global audience, and all you have to do is log in and take your surveys every day and make money. And the most interesting thing is that they actually pay in dollars. So if you don't want to miss any part of this video, make sure you stick around and watch this video to the end. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe so that you don't miss out on subsequent videos that I'm going to be dropping on how we can make money online. So the first platform here on my list is Discount, DSCOUT. So all you need to do is go to the website discount.com and then you sign in. You're going to see the first link there, the all-in-one UX research platform for teams. So just click on it. As you can see, it says get the answers you need to move forward confidently. Now get paid to test. So click on get paid to test. Now if you come down, you're going to see where it says turn your opinions into cash, sign up today. So if you go directly to your browser, it's going to show you a block, like you're going to experience a block. So what you need to do is download the Windscribe VPN. So I have the Windscribe VPN right here on my laptop. I'll just click on it. You can download this VPN on your laptop or your phone or anything and then connect to any country, any European country, because this is available in Europe. So as you can see, I've connected to London. Now once this is connected, I'm not going to I won't go to the platform directly from my browser here. I will switch to incognito tab. Now the essence of incognito tab is that there is no previous browsing history and all of that, so they won't even know who this person is. So all you just need to do, once you come to the incognito tab, you just reject to accept this. I'll just accept it. Then you just come to Discount, click on Discount, and you can see the interface is even different from the one we got when I was using my Nigerian location. So all you need to do is get paid. Click on get paid to test, then you can sign up. Use your email to sign up. It's very easy to sign up. So I'll just put in my email address here, and then you have to verify that you are 16 years old or older, and you also agree to the terms and the conditions of this platform. Then you click submit. So once you click submit, it says thanks for contacting us, we will be in touch with you shortly. And within a short period of time, it says your account has been successfully created, like within seconds. You can see what it says here. It says thank you for signing up, don't forget to follow us and all of that. You can just scroll to check out some more information about the platform. So I'll just go to login. First of all, you see what it says here. It says schedule a free demo. So you must make sure that whatever details you are putting here is not a Nigerian detail, right? So you put your name, work email. Make sure you put a work email. You can use your normal email. You put your company and then put your country. Make sure you don't put Nigeria as a country. But I'm not going to go through all of that right now. I will just go ahead and log in. And then I'll just select tester login. Now you remember when I was creating the account, I did not put any password. I just put my email and they told me account has been created. So I'll just put a wrong password here, or what I'll just do is to click on forgot password. So I'll just put my email address again and click on request new password. So I'll just quickly go to my email and check the email they sent me. So I'll just click on this link to confirm my account. Now they are asking me to configure my account and they're asking me for all these details. So all I have to do is fill in these details and move to the next stage. So I'll just put in my name and my last name, then my date of birth, then my PayPal email. So this platform only pays with PayPal. you cannot receive money via any other platform except PayPal. So if you have a friend who has a PayPal account, you can use their email here. But if you don't have a friend who has a PayPal account, I think there's a video on YouTube on how to create a PayPal account from Nigeria. So you can check that video. I'll be including the video in the description so you can watch it. Then you put in your gender and your password. After that, you make sure you check these boxes to accept their terms and conditions. But I'm not going to continue this because I haven't got a paper email. Once I get a paper email, then I'll continue this and give you all a review in the next video. So make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on the review video. So the next platform I have here is Askable. So as usual, you come to your incognito tab, still on your VPN, and search for Askable. So as you can see, just click on the first link you see there. So with Askable, you get to unlock insights and scale research capacity on demand. Now you click on Earn with me. You have two options: get paid to participate and get paid to run research. It says join our panel of participants, share your opinions, and make a difference. You can get paid up to $100. You see paid research opportunities when it suits you. So you can just come and go through all of this information. So we'll go over to the research section. You see where it says do the work you love your way. Join our network of 750 plus certified Askable researchers who earn up to $5,000 per project. Now this particular job is not for small minds and small people. So if you know that you're not ready to put in the work or you don't have the expertise to put in the work in this section, please don't even waste your time. It says paid work comes to you. Apply and get certified. You apply, you get certified, then you receive new opportunities, and then when you complete them, you get paid. So you can come to this platform and make your own research and see what it looks like and how you can participate in it. So what are some things to note about Askable? Askable is managed end to end. We manage projects end to end. You get notified of opportunities that suit your skills and you have the freedom to apply. You can work from anywhere. Askable is available globally. Then you get paid on time and also you work with top global clients. Now all you just need to do is swipe up and click on this section. Once you click here, a form is going to come up which will enable you to apply for this position. So once you apply, this is the form. Just click on apply now. As you can see down here, as you can see down here, just click on apply now and this form is going to pop up. All you need to do is fill it and submit. So I'll quickly go over to the next platform that I have on my list, and this platform is UserTesting. Many of you must have already heard about UserTesting. This platform is not new to many of us who have been on the online space for long. So like I said, remember you are accessing this platform on a VPN. If you're in Nigeria or Ghana or any African country at all, make sure you use a VPN to access these platforms. So like I said, I won't really go through all the details, but you already know when you come to the platform usertesting.com, you are going to see an opportunity. Like just read through all the information they have on their dashboard, and then you can now start here. You can click on start here. Now once you click on start here, you see what it says. What are you looking to do? I want to evaluate user testing for my company. No, I want to make money online. So click on get paid to test. As you can see, it says boost your monthly income in your free time. Try the ultimate side hustle. It's easy, fast, and simple. Share your perspective on product and experiences and make money online from the comfort of your home. So I'll just put in my email address and click on I have read terms and conditions and click get started. So I won't be taking you through all the process just so the video is not too long. I'll just leave it at this point, and then I hope you all will put in the work to learn more about these platforms and see how it works. You're welcome back, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you've actually learned something new today. You've come across at least a new survey platform today. So if you have actually been doing any of these surveys on any of these platforms before, you can share your experience with us on the comment section. And if you know you're going to try it out, please do not forget to come back and give us your feedback so we can gain more ideas about these platforms. I'm also trying it out, I just found out about them and I'm also trying them out. And hopefully, once I get paid, I'll definitely come back and make another video and showing you guys how I got paid. So, guys, please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Do not miss out on other important videos I'm going to be dropping on this space. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye.